If I'm an engineering service company, I can use Team Platform to manage engineering service projects. I'm going to navigate to the templates and look at one of the main templates that we use for managing our projects. It's got all the basics built in, an area for files, a set of milestones or tasks for different phases of the project, and a couple of pages to share with customers for defining the requirements, the concept, design review, detailed design. We also have some custom fields that we can use to get basic customer information and basic requirements about the project. There's a few different levels of customization inside of Team Platform. One of the ways I can customize the domain is by changing the logo. I can also change the page branding. I can see that the web form's been updated and it has the new logo. Let's check out a active project. It's in the detailed design phase. And we've got a form that's actually been filled out. So we've got a customer name, address, company. We have some files that the customer's uploaded, including an NDA. What we did from there is set up a requirements description page. So this has the requirements defined, a conceptual design, a few drawings, and added a few 3D files into the page so that the client could view the models. You can rotate and move the model around. We did a design review with the client where we took some notes on some changes to the model. We can take a look at the calendar view. If I wanted to filter just to the Anchor service project, we can look at who's assigned to do what within the project. It's now my turn to do some detailed design, and I've actually finished the detailed design. I can take the files and drag them and drop them into the folder, and they'll be uploaded to Team Platform. Okay, those files have been uploaded now. I can look at them in icon view, I can look at them in list view, and I can also look at them in property view, where I'm able to choose the custom fields that I want to look at for the model. If I just want to check out the description and part number, I can do that. Here I can see all the properties of the model, and since I'm looking at an assembly, I can look at the references of the assembly and see the components that are part of the assembly. You can also navigate to the assembly tree and view the complete assembly tree, where I can choose more columns to show and hide, like notes, version, vendor part number, material, etc., to add to the table. I can open up any of these files, for example the solid assembly, rotate it and explode it if I need to. From here I can take screenshots or save views if necessary. Platform is going to do for me automatically is it's going to take the files and put them into the detailed design review. So if the files have automatically been embedded into the page, basically the page is ready to be sent out. I can look at this publicly. I've set a password on the page. Once the password is entered, the client can get in, and just like I did in the workspace, the client's going to be able to look at the file in 3D. Now that that's done, I'm going to leave a comment. The data is available. And I'm going to go over to the tasks section, mark off my task, then it's off to finish the rest of the project.